like an alchemist or an engineer. I used to think of potions in my diary to improve the flow of my inner gear, speeding up my nature inquiries. Molded the vision I had of our sphere through meditation and observation. A social fabric, tangible and clear. My disembodied thoughts sensation. I had a feeling of indulging your tonic. It made me drift from my prior logic. I had a feeling of indulging your tonic. It made me drift from my prior logic.
This night my soul appeal. I have a claim to your tide. Foresaw this ideal. How would it feel right? Hold my verb for true. Trust we're both keen. Saw myself through you, past both flesh and skin. May this imprudent plea reach out its fears. My finite self dares agree with the cyclic gear. Its fears. My finite self dares agree with the cyclic gears. To nature's will, I ought to venture still. My course is stollies, 'cause boundless diastoles. My transmuted self orbits divine sphere. Shadows greeting cells suits my nature here. May this imprudent plea reach out its fears. My finite self dares agree with the cyclic gear. Its fear.